Good afternoon to all my dear students. Today I am going to discuss about subject SPs, secretarial practice. There are some deduction in this subject, so be noted down and point it. Which point is not covered for this year examination? For this year examination for regarding coronavirus, so tick it and note it down. Come to the page number 7. Page number 7 1.4 7 to 9 it's end of 9 ठीक है 1.4 this will not come in your examination capital structure. Okay, then after come chapter 2 page number 22. Page number 22, 2.12 retained earning. Determinants of retained earning. This will not come for this year examination. Okay, and then after come page number 28. 2.26 financial institution. This will not come in your examination for this year. Then after come trade 2.27 2.2.7 trade credit. This will not important as for your examination view. Okay, and then after come chapter number 3. Come to page number 40. Page number 40 to 42, 3.1 classification of shares. This will not important as for examination oriented. Okay, then after come page number 51. Page number 51 to 50, page number 51 to 52. Come to 3.42 procedure of allotment shares. This will not important as for your examination oriented. Then after come page number 54. Chapter number 3, page number 54, 3.6. Calls on share. It's not important as for your examination view. Okay. Then after come chapter number 3, page number 54. To 55. Page number 54 to 55, 3.8 surrenders of share is not as important for examination oriented. Then after come chapter number 4. Chapter number 4, page number 74. .3 4.3 debenture trustee is not as important as for examination view. Then after come chapter number 5. Come to page number 84. 84 to 85, 5.3 procedure of accepting deposit from public. It's not important. Okay, tick it in your textbook. Okay. Come to page number 85, 5.4, procedure for accepting deposit from members. It's also not important as for your examination. Come to chapter number 9. Come fast to chapter number 9 and note it down. What is important as for your examination and what is not for important as for your examination. Come to page number 133. (9.6) Functions of depository system is not important as for examination. Okay. Then after come chapter number 10. Page number 147. Page number 147, 10.5, modes of payment of dividend. It's not important. Okay. Then after come chapter number 11, 159. One 59. Eleven point 3.1 is not important as for your examination view. Okay. Then after come chapter number 12. Chapter number 12, page number 173, and tick 12.4, important terms related to stock exchange. It's not important as for your examination. So hope guys this video will help you, my dear students. So please be careful, study, and best of luck for your examination and do well. Bye.